In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove section break in Google Docs. If you've ever had strange page layouts, unexpected headers and footers, or blank pages you can't get rid of, a hidden section break is often the culprit. I'll walk you through revealing it, removing it cleanly, and touching up your formatting so your document looks exactly the way you expect. First, open your file in Google Docs in your web browser. Make sure you are in the document where the issue appears so you can see the changes as you work. Next, let's make the invisible visible. Go to the View menu at the top and choose Show Non-Printing Characters. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+P on Windows or Command+Shift+P on a Mac. This displays helpful markers on your page, things like spaces, paragraph returns, page breaks, and most importantly, section breaks. Don't worry, these symbols won't print. They're just there to help you edit with precision. Now, scroll through your document to find the dashed horizontal line labeled section break. You might see it noted as section break or section break next pages. Depending on how it was added, this line shows exactly where one section ends and another begins, which is why the layout can change abruptly at that point. To remove it, place your cursor at the very end of the text or the last character on the line directly above the section break. The key is to position the cursor immediately before that dashed line. When you are set, press the Delete key on your keyboard. If nothing happens, double-check your cursor placement and try again. Keeping the cursor just before the break ensures you delete only the break itself and not your content. After removing the break, take a moment to review your formatting. Section breaks can carry settings like different margins, page orientation, columns, or header and footer variations. If the deletion shifts your layout, press Enter where needed to add expected spacing, and reapply formatting such as headings, alignment, or column settings. For example, if text that was in 2 columns now flows as a single column, reapply the column layout to the portion you want. If a header or footer changed, open the header or footer area and update it to match the rest of your document. That's it, your section break is gone, and your document should behave consistently from top to bottom. Thanks for watching.